A stunning industrial apartment, located in London, has been created from a former warehouse in Camden. Utilizing tactile materials such as copper, meshed steel, and exposed brickwork that pay homage to the building's prior industrial use, this 819 square feet space features an open-plan living room and kitchen with the ability to double as a guest bedroom. Behind an industrial glass wall lies the master bedroom with an en-suite bathroom. This industrial space features large windows set within an exposed brick wall, providing an abundance of natural light. On the left side, the owners have created a cozy seating area, while the opposite end is dedicated to a home office. Vitruvius reclaimed oak flooring has been implemented throughout the home, creating a spectacular aesthetic when combined with the steel, brickwork, and copper. The addition of the sliding meshed steel door between the living room and the bedroom adds a touch of color to this industrial home. Adjacent to the seating area is the kitchen and dining area. The oak cabinets have been painted navy blue, with two left in their natural state. The geometric tiles on the floor are from Burt and May. Cleverly hidden behind the cabinetry is a Murphy bed, for those extra guests or unexpected sleepovers. Adjacent to the guest room/home office is the primary bathroom featuring white subway tiles, geometric flooring, and copper piping. The bathroom features a square concrete sink by Burlington, which sits on a steel base with a rusted patina. Oak boards form the bath panel. The master bedroom is located behind the frosted glazing in the living room. It has a wonderful industrial aesthetic, featuring a brick wall, rough plaster on the wall behind the bed, steel beams, and copper piping. A green sliding door with a handle made from an old wooden spinning loom gives access to the bathroom.